How to download Roblox Studio. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can download the Roblox Studio. So in order to do so, first open any web browser of your choice, like I have opened the Google Chrome. And now within the Google Chrome, you can simply search for a Roblox Studio download. And once you do this, you can see this particular hyperlink that says install Roblox Studio documentation from create.roblox.com. So simply click onto this link and it will lead you to this Roblox page. And from here, you can simply scroll down and click onto this download studio button. And once it does that, it will ask you to open Roblox. If you have already opened Roblox, you can simply click onto this open Roblox option and just wait. And here you can see that the Roblox Studio is getting downloaded and it will then be installed onto your PC. So let us wait for the same. Now here you can see once the download has been successful, you can simply log in either via the browser or the studio. So once you log in, you will be able to create your own game and publish it on the Roblox platform. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.